Hi, hello again, Oded Shuval. In the previous section, I mentioned how to use price action in a retracement mode to enter immediately a trade when you see that the price made immediate reaction when it touched a unique point I named Raziel, or the way of the three knights. Now this is a retracement price actions. It's a retracement prices. Here it was like Raziel, and I gave in part number 1, you can go and look for part number 1, how the market changed direction immediately, very accurate, on the spot when it touched one of these points. And it's ideal way of working for binary option traders, of course also for forex trader. If they have more patience, they want a long-term chart, long-term trading, they can use the knights, the Raziel and the other two knights. Now there are some other unique points on the chart, and this is the extension lines. Now many are not familiar how to use extension lines, so in part 2, this part, I will show you when a market change reaction not based on a retracement, based on extensions. So you go to Fibonacci extension, and again here you have some common number and some unique numbers, and you see immediate reaction on those lines. Let me show you an example, a nice example about the euro dollar. This move, relative to this move, was exactly knight number 2 in my CD, the way of the three knights. Now it's not a standard Fibonacci level as many familiar with. Again, many people know technical analysis, they understand Fibonacci levels, but they keep on losing money. The three knights are extremely unique points that market change direction, and some of the knights are meant to be used only in a window, a special time window, before the UK session and after just when the American session about to be end, or during the Asian session. It's very important to understand it, and then you can make very nice trade if you are trading binary option or forex. Now if the price react here, and you will take the same level to put your target profit, you will see that every time price touches one of the knights, some of them are unique numbers, it changed direction immediately. I can show you many examples how to enter trade based on these particular levels, also on indices, commodities, and of course of forex. So you need to control two things. One, the retracement knights and the extension knights. They will provide you an accurate entry point that you will see that the market touched them and changed direction. Now it's ideally for binary option traders, especially for the high-low trading option and for the 60 minutes trading option. Okay, so all you have to do is you can work on a naked chart. On a naked chart, I like to use this particular chart, which is not related to any of the brokers. All you have to do is just to go and either work with extensions, and you will see the market change direction many times when it touches the point. Now it really doesn't matter the time scale you are working. You can work on the weekly chart, daily chart, even monthly chart, although you are trading binary option in a short term. And I will give you just another recent example about the Canadian yen. The Canadian against the Japanese yen, Now, what's happened after, it's really not important. What's important that it touched the second night and change direction. Now, the direction change, it's immediately. So you know that this is your entry to the binary, to the option, and it changed direction. It will not go beyond this line. It will just touch it and change direction. So it's a winning situation for you if you know how to work with nights, with the first night, the Raziel, the second night, and the third night, and how to work with extension. And sometimes even when the market go to extreme levels, and you know how to work with the extension nights, you'll see that the market change direction on those positions. I can show you some nice recent examples we had. Now, for a forex trader, it's ideal because he can remain on the trade. But for the binary option trader, it's really not an issue, because all he need is to be right for the next 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 60 seconds. You see how he touched the line and changed direction. So I will highly recommend you to learn about Raziel. It's not a gimmick, guys and girls. It's not a gimmick. It's a real behavior of the market. Market change direction, and it's also provide the same reaction in short terms. All you need, again, to know how to draw your lines. That's it. And you will see the market touch a point and change direction. So the asset is not important. The name of the asset is not important. What's important is when it will change direction for the next few minutes. That's the whole issue when you are trading binary options. And this is what's so nice about understanding the way of the three nights and Raziel working price action. And as I mentioned, you can do it also in a very short term. But I do prefer to use a daily chart, weekly chart, 4-hour chart to see when price hit the point. I know it will change direction, and I entering my trading position, normally on the high low, sometime on the 60 second. So this is my recommendation for you. Instead of using too many tools, too many technical tools, too many arrows that will try to show you direction, but sometimes you see direction, maybe you are right, but you are not right for the next 60 seconds, and you are not right for the next 10 minutes. This is the issue. Trading is not just about knowing the direction. Trading is about timing the entry for a position that will change direction. Ideally to work with price action, and ideally to work with Raziel and the way of the three nights. So this is part 2, and I will try again to publish more information that will help you become a successful binary option trader. And as I mentioned before, it's not a gimmick. I'm trading this market, the forex market, for the past 11 years, even more. I've written many books, published many DVDs, but when you are going to change your set of mind to binary option, you need to understand the market. You still need to understand the market, and it's not a gambling. Once you understand the market, you have advantage. When you know the behavior, you have advantage, and it's become, again, a real trading and no longer what's so-called gambling. So I would like to see you visiting my website. It's in the process. We will add some more information, some more materials. If you would like, you can send me email, and I will send you information about the way of the three nights. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best and good luck.